Hey, Tom here from PatternsandProfits.com. Yesterday, Robinhood just added the SpaceX IPO to the in-flight portion of the platform. I know some of you are concerned that Robinhood was not going to launch or participate in the launch, but they are. Today, I want to quickly walk you through the process as I see it straight from my phone. So let's go ahead and get started. In this point, it shows you the IPO access. You're simply seeing this on the screen. Click on the SpaceX icon right here in the middle, and that will allow you to proceed through to the next screen. Shows the SpaceX IPO with the current offering price. This price is subject to change before the IPO, so keep that in mind, all right? Click on I'm interested, and it will bring you to the next screen, which is the eligibility screen. What you're doing here is confirming and agreeing to their restriction policies, flipping policies, and risks. Click I agree to continue. Now, at this point, you're now being asked to continue because you're almost there for final pricing. And from here, you click continue down here at the bottom. This will move you to the part that talks about how the allocation process actually works, right? Shares are a number available. And here's where you'll request your shares and your price. Now, at this point, it takes me to the request to buy SpaceX. I want to go in and I want to make sure that I'm looking at both the number of shares I want, the maximum price I'm going to pay, and then simply from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click review and request. All right. I hope that this helps dispel the myth that Robinhood wasn't participating, because obviously now we know they are, and give you a quick overview of how the process actually works. Thanks again. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.